Hey, what's up guys? JP here. Just doing a quick little video this morning. I just finished making breakfast for the family on my Campchef griddle, and it dawned on me that every time I use this, I gotta clean it. So I'm wondering, how do you clean? I know how I clean it, but I'm wondering how other people clean their griddles. Either it's a Blackstone or a Campchef or any other brand. I want to show you how I clean my Campchef griddle, and I would like to see if you could put down in the comments how you do yours, or maybe if you can do a video and just tag me in it somehow in regards to how you clean yours. But this is how I do mine. I start off first getting the griddle as hot as it can get, because I want to try to get all the food scraped off, and I just use plain old water, and I'll spray it on here, and I'll grab my nice little scraper, and I'll try to scrape off as much of the food as possible, and the water will just drain down into this little bucket that I have down here on the side. And if I feel like it needs more water or something, then I'll put some more water, try to get the edges. But that's really about it. Once I have that done, then what I do, I'll put some more water. And then I'll just grab a rag with my my tongs and just wipe it clean. And just get the water to come down to the bottom here, and get it here in the little tray that catches the grease and the oil, and just push it all down to the end. But that's really about it. That's how I clean it. Try to get into the corners, get that food out of there, and then get in the tray and scrape that food down. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I usually just turn it off, turn both of them off, and I may still have to get down here in the corner and scrape this last little bit of food that gets stuck in there. But that's really about it. That's how I clean my Campchef, and then once I'm done with cleaning it like that, with just the heat and the water, I'll then season it. And I like seasoning it, keeping it seasoned with olive oil, and I'll put a little bit of olive oil on there. I'll grab me another clean rag and just spread that olive oil. And you don't have to use olive oil. You can use canola oil. You can use any other kind of oil you like. I wouldn't use motor oil. That's just a joke. But canola oil, vegetable oil, olive oil is what I like to use. Some people like to use the spray-on pan. I guess you can use that as well, because that's what I use to season my big smoker out there in the back. And that's really about it. I'm done cleaning. Anybody else clean it a little bit different? Let me know. Put it down in the comments, and share with me and share with everybody else how you clean your Campchef. I'm really interested to see how you clean it. But this is the way I clean mine. And again, guys, I appreciate you guys very much. Put it down in the comments. Do me a favor, hit that subscription button over there on the side. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.